For sewing trousers, we need fabric. You can use cotton or any other fabric. For tailoring, I take my old pants as an example. I fold the fabric in half and put it over my trousers. I circle them with an allowance of 1 centimeters. For the pants, we need to leg pieces. So now I'm making the first one, cutting it out and sewing it. First leg is ready. Now we made the second. I also stitch in the right places as in the video. The legs are ready. Now we will sew them. Turn the trouser leg inside out and secure the sewing place with pins. My sewing machine broke. Now I do everything by hand. Sewed. Now we will make a place for the elastic. I took such an elastic band as an example and attached it to my pants to understand what distance and sewed. So take an elastic band and insert it and sew it up. Pants ready. It can be used as sleep wear as pajama pants or beach wear. You can make with thin fabric and walk in them in the summer. Thanks for watching.